Nobody can do it on their own. So many students look at rankings, they look at the fancy buildings on campus, look at how pretty it is, and all that's important, that's good, you should pay some attention to that. But I think really looking at what is the experience going to be like when you get there, and when you're visiting places, try to picture yourself in that place, not just the physical place, not just the good food that you might have eaten there, but actually interacting with the people who are there. And I think it's also important to think about who you're going to be interacting with on a day-to-day basis. So what is that support team that that college has set up for you in advance? So at Bates, we have an academic advisor, we have a student support advisor, we have Res Life staff. Lots of colleges have lots of different ways of supporting students. And so trying to find a structure, a support network that matches what you think is going to make sense for you. From everything I've seen, it's about the connections that students make once they get to campus. A lot of that starts with faculty and staff connections. Trying to make a connection with somebody during that first year, whether that's an advisor, whether that's a staff member, whether that's the custodian in your hallway. Making connections is so very important to just feel like you are connected, not just to the place, but to the people there.